Hi, and welcome to this video guide on how to build a patient portal application using Caspio. In the first video, I will give you a quick application overview so that you know exactly what we plan on developing. Let's take a look. In this application, patients are going to be able to do a self-registration. So by clicking on this link, we are going to access the form that allows the patients to be able to self-register by providing some basic information along with their medical history, and at the very bottom they can create an account. The reason why we want them to create an account is because later on we want them to be able to log into their portal and be able to retrieve any of the messages and any of the information based on their prior visit. So as soon as the patient is able to register, they're going to be able to log inside their portal, and upon logging in, we get to see a nice report that shows me all the prior visits. Here we're tracking all the vital signs. We can see who we were seen by and also the reason for visit. And we also have the ability here to download the data if needed. The second thing that patients are going to be able to do is retrieve any messages. So if their primary care physician submitted a message to their portal, they're going to be able to see that message along with download any of the files that were submitted. So for example, if the doctor submitted their lab work, they're going to be able to download that information directly from their messages. And finally, a patient is able to update their profile. So here they can update their name, update their medical history, and be able to update their password if necessary. On the flip side, let's go ahead and log in as the doctor now. So as soon as I log in as the doctor, they're going to be able to see a nice dashboard that shows them some metrics. And here we're tracking total number of visits based on month. We're also tracking patients based on status. And if you click inside this legend, you can actually show and hide elements, allowing you to hone in on any specific categories if needed. We're also tracking number of visits per patient. And here at the end, we're also looking at number of messages we submitted to each of the patient's portals. Second thing that the doctors are able to do is manage patients, so we can filter patients based on number of different criteria. Upon clicking search, we see the results of all of our patients. We can drill inside the details for each patient. And in the details view, we have the ability here to edit the details for each patient. We can add a new visit if needed. So if, let's say, for example, Shelly came in today, we can click on this button, input all this information, and as soon as you hit submit, you'll be able to see that information inside this report. We're also tracking blood pressure readings, so over time we can see Shelly's blood pressure. And lastly, we have the messages. So if I wanted to submit something new to her portal, I can click on add, fill out this form, and now Shelly, when she logs in, she's going to be able to see that message in real time. We can also enable email notifications, so as soon as you add a visit or submit a message, Shelly will be notified via email that there's a new message inside her portal. And finally, as a doctor, we have the ability to update our profile. So as John, I can come over here and update my email or my password if needed. And at the end, if they're done, they can log out of the portal to go back to the login interface. So this is a very simple healthcare application built using Caspio's low-code platform. And in this video guide, I'm going to teach you how to use Caspio's platform to build this application. But keep in mind, this is just one example of an application you can build inside Caspio. Caspio's platform is very versatile. You can build any kind of application for any type of industry. And hopefully by watching this video guide, you will be able to see how you can leverage the Caspio platform for your own needs. So thank you for watching the overview video, and I hope to see you in the next one where I teach you how to build all the database tables and also how to relate your tables using primary and foreign keys. I'll see you there.